in your chat box, type in your chat box how you are feeling. Let me see your amazing response. Awesome, super energetic, excited, fantastic. Okay, superb answers, fabulous. Oh my God, I'm just catching few words in the rush of the data. Data is flowing here like anything. Super awesome, fantastic, awesome. Okay, beautiful, very excited, great, awesome. Okay, right, right. Nice, nice. Very, very, very fabulous. Okay, good. Nice answer. And how is the report? Weather report. Jahan se bhi aap hain, wherever you are from, please type how the weather is there. Is it rainy? Is it cold? Is it warm? It is sunny. It's bright sunny day or whatever. जो भी आपकी जो weather hai, wherever you come from. We have people from Dallas, Mr. Noel. Good morning, sir. Mr. Noel, welcome, sir. Welcome, welcome. I'm very much privileged to have you as one of our esteemed participants from the United States. Warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. It's an honor and a privilege to be with you, sir.
It's an honor to serve you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
And the United States is going to have the first woman president soon.
Let's say in India, we say tatastu, which means be it so in Sanskrit. Be it so. Let's let the world see the women power. So we are waiting for that.
And she speaks Tamil. I've met her. She speaks Tamil.
Yeah, I know. I've seen one of her introductory campaigning video.
Yes, and she loves dosa.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So we have a United States president in future who's going to be a woman.
Yes.
So that's going to be history. That's going to be history. Thank you for the announcement, sir. We all pray.
You're welcome, sir. You heard it now.
Thank you, thank you. We all are blessed to hear this news from you. So looking forward for the historic happenings in the United States. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And okay, cloudy. Somebody saying cloudy. Indira Boro. I think probably she's from Northeast Assam. Boro means Northeast. And Chandan says cool. And somebody says rainy. Rajni Borkar says rainy, just like Amazon forest. Somebody says Nixon Alfonso. From Karnataka says like Amazon forest. Okay, good. Yeah, actually this year, what I have seen, I think Praveenji will also agree with me and all other my participants. Praveenji, yes, have you made all the Sapphire and above as our co-host?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Hariprasad ji joined us probably last week. He couldn't get inside.
Yes.
Yeah, even Arun Jyoti Deka. Good morning, Arun Jyoti Deka. Syed Francis Hussain, Rudresh ji. Good morning. And Manas, Sharawan, Hirak, Gracian, Brahma. Good morning. And yes, all the co-hosts, please give me a response. So due to the COVID-19, many positive things happened in this world. बहुत सारी चीजें हुई, positive चीजें. उसमें से one thing what I can see is I am able to see Bangalore as I used to see in my childhood. Bangalore को मैं अपने बचपन में देख पा रहा था. बहुत कम vehicles, बहुत कम pollution, आवाज, sound pollution, noise pollution very less, and the streets are empty. So I am able to see Bangalore. I have never seen Bangalore like this in the past 20 years. Probably in my childhood, बचपन में जब मैं स्कूल का बैग उठा के स्कूल पैदल जा रहा था, I used to see Bangalore like this. Maybe 25, 30, 35 years. I'm right now 38, 39. So probably about 30 years back. I'm able to see Bangalore as it was because of that. And the weather is so pleasant. Pollution kam ho gaya hai. Thanks to COVID-19, many people are staying home unwantedly. They're not going out. Anyways, we continue to pray for all those who are affected by COVID-19 and we pray that they are safe, right? So this is today. So let's jump into our presentation for the day. How many are ready for today's presentation? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. अगर आप तैयार हैं तो please give me a thumbs up. I want to see a thumbs up from you. Let the thumbs go up. Thank you. Good. Lovely. I think many people are giving me thumbs up here. Thank you very much. So today's topic, we are going to talk three vital subjects जो बहुत ही important है हमारे business के अंदर. What are the three subjects? Please type it in the chat box. Some people may be thinking, what is this subject all about? Premji is talking about something like an abbreviation. So let me take you through the presentation for today. What are the subjects? Go to the chat box and type it and let me know. Right. What are the subjects, Premji? People are typing it here. Okay, VOTM, TRB, and PCM. What is TRB? TRP, it's not TRP, it's TRB. B for Bangalore, okay? Right? And today I'm starting the day with my iPulse, all of you. Dallas, Mr. Noel from Dallas, you have to probably show your iVed because you don't have iPulse there. Thank you, sir. I was just kidding. And Praveen ji and all others. Yeah, sir is showing iVed. Sir, this is the Indian iVed. This is the Indian iVed, and you are having the American iVed. Okay, cheers, sir. Cheers. Cheers to America, and cheers to India, and cheers to Indus Via Parivar. Lovely, 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 lovely. It's wonderful to taste iPulse in the morning. The body's each and every cell will be dancing because of this amazing, blend of iPulse joining all the way, Acai Berry coming all the way from the west and the wisdom coming from the east, right? And Simanta Bishnu, good morning. Happy to see both of you in the same screen, looking like brothers. And of course, you have always been
brothers. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Yes. Thank you. Cheers. Good morning. And 960 people already in. Okay. Lovely. So good. I just gave a little bit of a time today so that people can join in. And today's session, Praveenji, can you see the PPT?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. So this is the PPT. We are going to talk about, हम 3 subject के बारे में आज बात करने वाले हैं. TRB, PCM and VOTM. Let me take you through the whiteboard today a little bit and share with you the whiteboard. Yes. Praveenji, can you see the whiteboard?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Thank you. So I'm going to take you through this today. We are going to see, look at a few important aspects of our business. So aaj, we are not going to talk more about the attitude part. We are going to talk more about the logistics part, the business operations part. जो business हम build करते हैं, whatever business we build, उसकी जो internal nuts and bolts जो होता है, business build करने का nuts and bolts, that's what I'm going to talk about. And Mr. Noel, you will like this. You will like this, sir. Multi-level marketing is nothing but multi-level leadership. I think you will definitely like this statement. How about this statement? Do you like this statement, sir? Thank you. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thanks for the thumbs up. So, multi-level marketing, इसका मतलब होता है multi-level leadership, जहां पर हम we are going to build the leadership at different level. So, Praveenji, can you see the whiteboard here?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. So today we are going to talk the basic things, 3 basic things. I'm going to put it in a big font because many people are attending through the mobile phones. They may not be able to see it. अगर मैं छोटा लिखूंगा तो मैं जानबूझ के यहाँ पर बहुत बड़े-बड़े fonts यहाँ पर use करने वाला हूँ. VOTM. Is that visible, Praveenji? Legible?
Yes, yes. It's visible. Absolutely.
Okay. Viva का मतलब क्या होता है? There is a very famous song in India. Very famous song. I think most of you know this song. It was sung by a very famous singer. You have to tell me the singer's name. अगर आपको याद आ गया तो वो singer का नाम आप मुझे बताएंगे. This is not like an Antakshari competition, but then let's have some fun learning. If you are laughing, you are learning. If you are having fun, you are learning. So एक गाना मैं गाऊंगा यहाँ पर. आप लोग उस गाने का जो singer है, वो famous singer है, वो आपको मुझे बताना होगा. The song is like this. My voice is not so great in the morning. Let me try it. Okay. चलते चलते
किशोर दा.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Right, this song. Why this song? VOTM का मतलब लोगों को पता नहीं. What is the meaning of VOTM? Right? So इसलिए मैं ये गाने का, ये जो मैंने अभी आपको यहाँ पर गा के दिखाया, इस गाने का सहारा लिया. The गाना is चलते चलते. What is the meaning of चलते चलते? मतलब वीवा बिजनेस को बिल्ड करते, आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते, आगे चलते चलते VOTM को अपनाना पड़ेगा. So that is the meaning of VOTM, which means Viva on the move. This is especially for the Indian context. For US, no problem, क्योंकि US, United States of America, लॉजिस्टिक के अंदर they are already ahead. India is just catching up. तो इसके लिए in India we have this system called as VOTM. So आज हम लोग VOTM के बारे में बात करेंगे. Viva on the move. How to take the business in a very professional manner, making sure the products are available for your people. Okay, that's the first thing. The second one is called, what is the second one, Praveenji?
VOTM.
PCM.
PCM, sorry, PCM.
PCM. What is PCM? It's called Presidential, not candidate, it's Presidential Club membership. Okay. And the third one is called TRB. Bonus, top retailer bonus. So ये तीनों चीज जो है बहुत ही पावरफुल टूल्स इन आवर बिजनेस, और बहुत सारे लोगों को ये जो टूल्स यहाँ पर है इसको कैसे इस्तेमाल करना ये लोगों को पता नहीं रहता है. कभी कभी they don't understand what is the importance of all these three tools. So we are going to talk about these three vital tools in our business. So what is VOTM? We are going to talk about VOTM first of all, and second we are going to talk about PCM. We're going to talk about PCM, and finally आज we will be finding up with TRB, which means top retailer bonus. ये तीनों का सही इस्तेमाल करेंगे, so you will be able to build multi-level marketing, which means multi-level leadership आपके organization के अंदर. I think Praveen ji, we all have to clap. 996. Yes, 996, 97. And 96 again. Okay, people are coming and going probably. 98.
Data.
98.
Data.
Data is the new oil. Okay. 999 and 1000. Okay. Congratulations, participants. We are actually, you can show your hand like this. Okay. Or you can show like this. Okay. Good. Thank you. So we are a 1K family. Right now we have 1000 people joined us. Good. So the presentation for today, we are going to go into, Praveen ji, can you see the PPT?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So this is the presentation, and any questions you have, you can always keep it with you, and we will talk about it in a moment after this presentation. Okay. Viva on the move. First of all, Viva on the move. VOTM का मतलब क्या होता है? Viva on the move. And especially, how many of you want to become Black Diamond ambassadors? Go to the chat box and tell me I, or you can say I am, or I am interested, whatever it is. How many of you want to become Black Diamonds? Let me listen to your reply. Let me watch your reply. 96 messages. Oh my God. Okay. Yes, many people want to become. Oh, Jesus, what is this? The messages are increasing faster than Corona. The score, right? Okay, I. Very good, very good. Many people want to do this. Okay, I know we all want to build amazing organization. हम लोग world class organizations build करना चाहते हैं. We want to build a business which will grow very fast. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಶುಭ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅದು? ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಕೇರಡಿ. Thank you. Santosh, thank you for the wishes, especially in the morning. So all of us want to build amazing organizations. And there are many aspects to it. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो एक बहुत ही powerful, professional, organic, stable organization अगर आप build करना चाहेंगे, so there are many aspects to it. लेकिन उसके अंदर today we are going to talk about two powerful aspects. I would say two pillars. In the month of March, जब business हमारा सब लोगों का down हो गया था, और फिर there was a lockdown, and after that हम लोगों ने Zoom का इस्तेमाल किया, and again we built the business back. मैंने एक वीडियो बना के Facebook पे लगाया था. I had posted a video in Facebook for thanking two people. दो लोगों को thanks कहने के लिए मैंने एक वीडियो बना के Facebook पर लगाया था, और वो जो वीडियो है उस वीडियो के अंदर आप लोगों को एक चीज पता चल गया होगा. दो लोगों का नाम मैंने लिया था. The first one, who are those two people? If you remember, please go ahead and type the answer in the chat box. I don't want to give the answer. I want to probe you to give the answer. Who are the two people I thanked? Okay, right? Somebody is saying, I will become inshallah. Okay, good. Thank you. Good. I am a Black Diamond. Okay. Honey Matthew. Okay. Our operations head and Zoom CEO, Mr. John Chian. Right? So I had not Sundar Pichai. Okay. Somebody is saying Sundar. Okay, right? So I had thanked two people. मैंने दो लोगों को thank you बोला था. So first one is, of course, I have to thank God for everything. That's the foundation. I'm talking in terms of helping me, the people. So one is the Zoom CEO and our operations head, Mr. Honey Matthew. So I had thanked these two people because एक तो I thanked Zoom CEO because through Zoom we were able to build our business back. हम लोग अपने business को वापस build कर पाए. That is first thing. And the second very important thing is the what do you call it, the operations head Honey Matthew, because उन्होंने products को सही time पे पहुंचाया. Otherwise the business to come back was impossible. It was not at all possible. So two aspects of our business I want to remind you here today. आपके business के अंदर अगर आप long lasting organization build करना चाहते हैं, please take care of two things. One is the leadership, the second one is VOTM. One is leadership, the second one is VOTM. Leadership without VOTM is of no use. VOTM without leadership is absolutely of no use. So these two are very important aspect of your business. So सिर्फ organization build करना, star 250, star 500 scoop generate करना, यही बात नहीं है. You also should make sure your organization is fully loaded. आपका organization जो है, it should be fully loaded, and the secret of that is leadership combined with VOTM. Leadership combined with VOTM. Let's get into VOTM. Why and what is VOTM? Okay. The first thing, Indus Viva is targeting to route 100% product delivery through VOTM in India, especially because depending upon the logistics or the courier is not going to help the Indian market. The second cheese, VOTM is nothing but, iska matlab kya hota hai? The stock with a distributor leader to serve his team for an effective delivery of products. Okay, so this is the why and what is VOTM, and few more points here. The third point, VOTM is the only way to ensure effective last mile courier office to customer's house delivery. That's called as the last mile. तो VOTM के बिना अगर आप बिजनेस बिल्ड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, शायद आप सफल नहीं हो पाएंगे, because it is not possible to build your business depending upon the Indian logistic or the courier system what is available in the country, because it is not at all a reliable one as of now due to many reasons. ये बहुत सारी reasons है. So we as entrepreneurs, हमें ये पता रहना चाहिए कि what is going to be the best way to build our business, right? Let's get deeper now. How the question here is, who can become a VOTM holder? Who can become a VOTM holder and how? First thing, distributors who are in the rank star 500 and above are eligible to become a VOTM holder. जो लोग already star 500 and above rank पर हैं, वो लोग Indus Viva के अंदर VOTM ले सकते हैं. The very basic things, I'm talking about the basic things today about the VOTM. You can place an order of 500 PV or 1000 PV as per the requirement of stock for serving your team along with VOTM. सबसे पहली चीज, VOTM is not TRB. TRB is not PCM. And PCM is not VOTM. इसीलिए मैंने आज I started with this particular slide here. What you can see, Pravinji, you're able to see this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Pravinji. So देखिए यहाँ पर I want to spotlight once again. This is not this. For example, VOTM is for a separate purpose. Purpose समझना important है. Tool, why you have to use this tool. PCM is for a separate reason and TRB is for a different reason. Okay. So मैं यहाँ पर I want to give you a basic differentiation, fundamental differences between these three. उसके लिए I want to use this particular thing here. VOTM is basically to serve your organization logistic need कह सकता हूं, right? This is to fulfill the logistic need of your organization. Never ever confuse this particular stuff. Okay, This is for logistic needs of your organization. So make sure that you are using this particular VOTM only for this. Okay. So let me put this a little bit upper, and it will be easy for me also to talk about this. Okay. Right. Thank you. So this is the funda. Basically, Viva on the Move is to take care of the logistic needs, or the, let me put it, the products stock आपके पास जो होना चाहिए, that is here. And that's the first thing. Let me put it in a little smaller ones. Okay. And the second thing, presidential club membership. What is presidential club? Maybe some people are listening to this word for the first time. Presidential club membership is a membership जिसके अंदर you are taking आपका 1 year यानी 48 weeks आपका ID एक्टिव होगा. No monthly repurchase. You will be able to keep your ID active for next 1 year. So that is actually kind of keeping your ID active for 48, let's say 1 year or 12 months. Okay. And in IndusViva, when I say months, it is not calendar month, it's a lunar month. Okay. Lunar calendar, not the regular other calendar. Ye iske bare mein we will talk. And the top retailer bonus. This is clearly for the retailers in our organization, or I would say the Viva Victors. Viva Victors. So this is the actual need. So मुझे PCM किसको करवाना है? Again, this is for only star 250 and above. Star 250. And this product stock is for, let's say, star 500. Okay. This is for star 500 people. And retailers is for all distributors. So this is the basic fundamental difference about the three very, very important aspect of our business. So one is VOTM, which is जो हमारे टीम के अंदर stock मतलब लगातार हमारे लोगों को पहुंचाने के लिए we have to keep this. Second one is the PCM. We'll be talking about the features of PCM. And third one, top retailer bonus. वो तो आपको पता ही है. Anyways, we will touch upon all these vital areas of the business today. Right? So let's get into the slide again. And yeah, Praveenji, can you see the PPT?
Yes, it's coming, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, Praveenji, for the acknowledgement. Right. So you can place an order. हम जब star 500 बनते हैं, 500 PV का ऑर्डर या 1000 PV का ऑर्डर हम लोग प्लेस कर सकते हैं अपने पर्सनल आईडी पर. So as per the requirement of our team. आप पर्सनली अपनी आईडी पे स्टार 500 जब बनेंगे, यू कैन कीप एन ऑर्डर, यू कैन प्लेस एन ऑर्डर ऑफ 500 पीवी और 1000 पीवी, और ये आपका स्टॉक होगा. एंड अगर आप 500 पीवी का VOTM ऑलरेडी ले चुके हैं, अगर आपको लगता है वो सफिशिएंट नहीं है, वो काफी नहीं है, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो अपग्रेड इट टू 1000 पीवी स्टॉक by placing the order. ये एक point है. And next final point is, okay, remember these are the points. Who can promote a VOTM? Who can become a VOTM holder, and how? I've given the basic explanation for the same. And now, how is VOTM operated? VOTM को कैसे operate किया जाएगा? For example, share your ID number with your team. पहली चीज, आपको VOTM करने के बाद अपना ID नंबर टीम के साथ शेयर करना होगा. द फर्स्ट थिंग. ओके. एंड जब भी हमारे टीम मेंबर्स ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं, देयर इज एन ऑप्शन कॉल्ड, व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस इन ऑर्डर व्हेन यू प्लेस फॉर डिलीवरी, मोड ऑफ डिलीवरी. वन इज कॉल्ड सरफेस कोरियर. सेकंड वन इज, प्रवीण जी, स्टोर पिकअप. एंड द थर्ड ऑप्शन, तीसरा ऑप्शन है VOTM. एंड आपको अपने टीम मेंबर्स को बताना होगा डिलीवरी VOTM ही सेलेक्ट करना है और आपका आईडी नंबर वहां पर की इन करना पड़ेगा, टाइप करना पड़ेगा। एंड जब आपकी टीम के अंदर पीपल आर प्लेसिंग द ऑर्डर, आपके पास जो स्टॉक है, यू विल गो एंड सप्लाई द स्टॉक टू योर टीम मेंबर्स, आपके पास जो स्टॉक है, एंड द कंपनी विल सेंड द प्रोडक्ट इन अ बल्क। आपको कंपनी डायरेक्टली आपके पास प्रोडक्ट सेंड करेंगे और आपको कुछ बेनिफिट्स भी मिलेंगे यहां पर, एंड दैट इज द सिंपल VOTM operations strategy, or I would say the system. Let me simply put it in a kind of a whiteboard. Once again, let me use the technology here. Praveenji, can you see the whiteboard here?
Yes, sir, it's come.
Okay, let me take you to the next page. Okay, so here, देखिए दोस्तों, I am just drawing you a very simple तरीका of doing a VOTM operation. Okay, this is you. Okay, and you are a VOTM of let's say 1000 GV. आपके पास प्रोडक्ट है. Okay, and what is that is going to happen? आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर the people are going to place the order. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके लेफ्ट और राइट में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो एवरी वीक ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं. एंड प्रवीण जी, यू कैन सी द ड्राइंग्स, राइट? वेरी मच. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. सो आपका जो लेफ्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, यहां से बिजनेस आ गया लेट्स से 400 GV. ओके, और आपकी जो राइट है, वहां से बिजनेस वॉल्यूम, टोटल टीम से वॉल्यूम जनरेट हो गया यहां पर, इट इज 600 GV. ओके, सो आपके एंटायर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के जो लोग हैं, उन लोगों को प्रोडक्ट आप खुद पहुंचाएंगे आपके तरफ से. यू विल बी सर्विंग द टीम हियर एंड यू विल बी सर्विंग द टीम हियर with your 1000 GV वॉल्यूम. ये जो 1000 GV आपके पास है, इसमें से आप इन लोगों को प्रोडक्ट पहुंचा देंगे. So okay, this is the second step. And then what happens, कंपनी को ये पता चलेगा, कंपनी will come to know, and the Indus Viva company will send the product directly to your address 1000 GV. Okay, so this is the process. Reloaded. Okay, so the company is going to reload the 1000 GV product from the company time to time. Okay, आपको प्रोडक्ट कंपनी की तरफ से दिया जाएगा. So this is the simple procedure. If you can understand, I think that would definitely make sense. आपके पास जो स्टॉक है, that stock is going to be used for distributing it to your organization probably, right? So this 1000 GV volume is what you're going to use to supply the product to your organization. Okay, so I think that is very clear. Any question about this, you can definitely ask me. You keep that question in the chat box, probably not now, in the end. Okay, so now this is how the operation happens. And the first step is you have to make sure that you are placing an order of 1000 GV. Okay, so then the team will place the order, and when they place the order, उनको आपका VOTM number देना चाहिए, because you are already having the stock. And locally जब आपके पास stock होता है, ये जो product है, ये आप अपनी तरफ से दे देंगे, and company will reload the product time to time. Okay, so this is about VOTM, and let me explain you few more advantages of doing the VOTM system. Right? So any questions about this? If you understood this, please give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up dijiye. Questions, we will address it in the end. Okay, thank you. Right, now let's go to the next one. What is the infrastructure you need to operate VOTM successfully? VOTM हमें operate करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? What are the infrastructure? Do I need a showroom? Do I need a big office? Do I need a big warehouse? Right? A small space at your home for the product stocking. इसको एक बार हिंदी में बोल दीजिए प्रवीण जी.
So ये VOTM के लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का कोई जरूरत है क्या? नहीं. आपके घर में छोटा सा एक जगह, नहीं तो आपके कार में जो बूट रहेगा ना, वो काफी रहेगा. 500 PV आराम से बैठ सकते हैं. So इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की जरूरत नहीं है. प्रवीण जी,
I think you have to share your this photo of Facebook
yes, sir.
posted some time back. Not now. You
Yes.
keep it ready. I will tell you. I will now proceed with this. So,
Okay.
दोस्तों, you can keep the stock in your house, below your desk, अपने घर के जो एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस है वहां पर. You don't need a separate room or don't need an infrastructure for this. You can keep the stock also in your vehicle. आपका 4-wheeler अगर है, so you can keep the stock also there. It is going to make tremendous impact on your business. A base model car to deliver the product. Okay, these are the 2 requirements what you need in order to make sure. And car is no more luxury. COVID-19 ने कार को luxury segment से safety segment में बदल दिया. Car is no more a luxury. It is a safety. It is one of the safest way to travel. So if you have a small car, basic model car, ये बहुत ही काम आएगा आपको, especially now. So I would go ahead and suggest all the people who can afford a car, please go for a car which can help you to deliver the product. And a laptop with internet connection definitely is what you need. So this is all that requires to have your own VOTM. Okay. So बहुत सारे लोग मुझे कॉल करते हैं, sir, product is not reached, product has delayed. You know, हम लोगों ने एक experiment किया था. One product sent from India to Houston. Okay, this is a real live case study. The same time, one product sent to Chennai. Okay, I bet you Chennai का product से पहले Houston product पहुंच गया. This is what is the difference between India and American logistics system, right? And in America, the product was like this. हमारा आदमी जो है Houston में, he was telling us in the phone, right now the product has reached Houston warehouse, and he was seeing in the GPS, right now the product is already loaded in the vehicle. Now the driver left the godown, and now he's reaching my area. Now he's coming in the 6th cross. Now he's taking a right turn. Now he's walking to the staircase. He's ringing the bell. Ting tong, bell बज गया, product delivery हो गया United States में. That is United States. In India, you send the product to Chennai, probably it has gone to some other city, and maybe it is lying somewhere else. And the courier fellow will call up and tell the customer, Mr. Customer, your company has not paid us more money, or they are not giving money for delivery. You come and take the product. Oh my God, what an harassment to the customer. I have given the money, मैंने पैसा भी दिया, और इनका ये सब बकवास सुनना भी पड़ रहा है. So this is actually killing your business in India. Especially in India, at least I can tell you with my sincere heart, I can tell you, India could have had another 50 crore-patis by now. I'm sure about it. But the logistics, what we have in India, iske wajah se right now we have only 50 crore-patis. Otherwise, India could have produced even more crore-pati. Mr. Noel, please tell me, how is the product delivery in US? How are you feeling, sir, in US? Please tell us, sir. When you place the order, Pravinji, can you?
Yes.
Yeah, unmuted.
I can track it all the way, where the product is at any given point.
Yes, and Mr.
From
Noel.
my computer.
Yes, and also, sorry for interrupting, sir. You placed some order for your Indian people. What was your experience? What was your experience?
I order it, and they telephone my customer and let them know exactly where it is.
No,
like a product from US all the way to Malaysia, and
yes.
They got the call. They know exactly where it is.
Okay, what happened to your orders to your friends in India? You enrolled some people in India. What happened to them? How was the delivery experience? Probably
Excellent.
Okay.
Well, in certain parts of India, it was excellent, because if in Bengaluru, they go and deliver it directly.
Okay.
But in other cities, it takes a long time.
How was your experience with Mr. Gautam Gosavi, Maharashtra?
Well, I tell you, it was quite a challenge.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, friends. This is what, thank you, Mr. Noel, for acknowledging that experience. Thank you very much, sir. So friends, ये है इंडिया की situation. America, you can track the product. Anything. GPS is telling you where the product is. The website is telling you. The messages are telling you. But in India, Nobody knows once the product is delivered where the product is and how it will reach, because we are running it's a kind of a blind spot for us. We don't know. So if you depend, agar aap courier ke upar depend hote hain, you may take double time. And if you can enable VOTM आपके organization के अंदर, this is going to be the one-stop solution for all the problems. See, business build करना इतना आसान नहीं है. India is not America. In India, so many questions, so many answers, so many confusions. In spite of that, हम लोग इतना मेहनत करते हैं, and finally, you build the business, and the courier system damages it. एक तरफ से you are building the business, and you know the Indian cycle stand. आपको पता है Indian cycle stand story? One cycle falls, all the cycle falls down. Okay, in an array, in a row. So sometimes our leaders in India, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, एक तरफ से business build करते ऐसे जा रहे हैं, backside से, पीछे से courier damage. So after you turn back and see what happened to my business, so the courier is continuously damaging your business. Especially I'm talking about the interior parts of India. It's very, very poor, the courier system. So we cannot rely on that system. So leaders, especially आज जो भी लोग हमारे साथ हैं, leaders, 1,000 people. How many people are there, Praveen ji? Yeah, around 1,000 people are there still connected with us. Data is still there. I'm telling you, leaders, okay, already 1,000. So leaders, make sure you are building a business which is sustainable. जो business हम build करते हैं वो sustain होना चाहिए. So what is the way? VOTM is the only way for building a business like that. If you agree, please go to the chat box and give me a thumbs up, or you can type in the chat box, yes, I agree. Please type it so that I want to make sure the point is communicated very clearly. Okay? Yes. Thank you very much. And let me tell you, मैंने आपको बताया था, in India, we could have had 100 diamonds by now. Why only 50? Only the 50 people have taken leadership. And what about the others? वो लोग क्या करते थे? Place the order and wait for the product to deliver it. It is like waiting for the things to happen. It will never happen. You have to move the things. This is India. We have to make sure that the shortfall, the logistic problem, what we have, the leadership should, incidentally, logistic also starts with L. Leadership also starts with L. So the logistic problem is not the actual problem. The leadership problem is the actual problem. So that is the missing element in your business if your business is not going to the next level. So make sure that everybody is using this VOTM. And what's your compensation? आप जो कर रहे हैं, what is the compensation for your operating your VOTM? What can be the compensation? Many people think, since I am delivering the product to my organization, the company must compensate me. This is an outsider thought. A courier person will think like this. I am delivering to this area. I should get some compensation. As leaders, we should say thank you to company. No need of compensation. You make sure that you are giving the product to me. मैं अपने लोगों को product पहुंचाता हूं. That is the compensation. Don't expect other compensation actually, because when you serve your people, जब आप अपने लोगों को product पहुंचाते हैं, timely product पहुंचाते हैं, you reach the product safely without breakages and damages, your business is going to shoot up and आपका 90% headache खत्म हो जाता है. That is the compensation. That is the compensation. So do not expect a compensation, though आप compensation expect मत करना, लेकिन the company is giving you a compensation. But I am telling you, if you take VOTM for a compensation, you are a S quadrant man. You are probably not a leader. आपको leader बनना है. Praveen ji, what happened?
No.
You're laughing?
No, leader, thinking about S quadrant. That is what I felt little.
Yeah. people are fighting, sir, I have supplied product to my team and my team got the product, मुझे compensation नहीं मिला. अरे, your team is alive, your business is alive and kicking. That is the actual compensation. My people are getting the product, my customers are getting the product, my business is running without any disturbance. ये मेरा असली compensation है. But the company gives you the compensation. What is the compensation? Against the last mile delivery of a set of 20 products. जब आप 20 product deliver करेंगे, you receive you receive one product as compensation. So what is this one product? Praveenji, can you just tell me what is 20 products PV and one product PV?
20 products PV is like 5 cases. Okay, every week when you deliver 5 cases of product, like
500 PV.
500 PV of products, you will be receiving one product, maybe one bottle of iPulse, or one box of iCoffee, or one box of iSlim, or one box of iGlue. So that is your compensation.
For every 20 units, you will receive 1 unit free.
Yeah.
Every 500 PV product जो आप deliver करते हैं, एक product आपको free में मिलेगा. तो ये आपका compensation है. And this is not for you. This is for you and your team. This is for you and your team. Leader, क्या करना चाहिए मैं आपको बताता हूं. जब आप 1000 PV in a week कर सकते हैं, 500 PV in a week, 20 products in a week, एक product आपको free मिलेगा. If you are having a VOTM of 1000 PV and in a week आपका 1000 PV का turnover होता है, you will receive 2 products free. 2 products free. This is the compensation. Actually, the compensation actually is not a profit making methodology. It is not for looking at the compensation of the VOTM. It is to make sure that your business is alive. As an entrepreneur, let us think like an entrepreneur. Let's not think like a logistic man or a courier operating person. We are not operating courier. We are serving our people. हम अपने लोगों को service दे रहे हैं, because if you serve your people, you are a true leader, right? TRG eligible volume will not be considered. Of course, आपकी टीम में जो भी लोग TRB अचीव करते हैं, उनके प्रोडक्ट्स आपके लिए काउंट नहीं होगा. इसका रीजन यही है, उनको भी TRB में फ्री प्रोडक्ट देना पड़ता है. When they do 1000 PV, they will get 4 products free. When they do 600 PV, जब 600 PV करते हैं तो उनको 2 प्रोडक्ट फ्री में मिलेगा. जब वो 300 PV करते हैं, I'm talking about the TRB, top retailer bonus. Don't confuse with VOTM and TRB. Top retailer bonus, consolation prize 1, consolation prize 2 and consolation prize 3. Top retailer जो भी आपसे product लेते हैं, that will not be counted for you. So make sure that this point also is very, very clear. And the complementary products are to compensate your delivery expense. For example, I am in Jayanagar in Bangalore. One person has ordered the product and I'm going to travel to that place and give the product to him. So whatever my travel expenditure is there, that वो यहाँ पर cover करने के लिए company हमें free product देते हैं. And second thing, I get 2,500 rupees worth product against the transaction of 20 products. So I get 1 product free, जिसका मुझे GST and जो टैक्सेस जो GST एंड जो हैंडलिंग चार्जेस है वो पे करना पड़ता है. व्हाट इज द हैंडलिंग चार्जेस प्रवीण जी पर प्रोडक्ट? आई थिंक
425 rupees.
425 rupees, yes,
including handling charges.
Yes, handling charges and GST has to be paid by us. The company will give us the free product only. So don't tell, okay, the company also should pay the GST. Company cannot pay the GST for you, but they can give the free product. Okay, this is the government regulation which we are following here. And आपको जो प्रोडक्ट मिला है 2500 वर्थ प्रोडक्ट, उसको हम यू में ऑफर अ कैश बैक टू योर टीम मेंबर ऑफ 50 rupees against every product to your team. In my team, Mr. Simanta Bora has placed an order. तो जब मैं प्रोडक्ट डिलीवरी देने जाऊंगा सीमांता जी को, उनके एक प्रोडक्ट देते ही 50 rupees 50 रुपया उनको वापस देना होगा. अदरवाइज अगर सीमांता जी न्यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हैं, उन्होंने 4 प्रोडक्ट या 8 प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किया, तो उनको 400 रुपया वापस मुझे देना होगा. 400 rupees. सीमांता जी इज ए न्यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, 200 PV ऑर्डर किया एंड डिलीवरी देते देते प्रोडक्ट के साथ सर्विस विद अ स्माइल and also with a profit of 400 rupees, Simanta will become a fan of you. He will become a follower of you. He will accept you as a leader. ये कैसे होगा? कोई मुझे बताइए. Any of the co-hosts, आप लोग अनम्यूट करके मुझे बता सकते हैं. सीमांता जी, अगर आप एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हैं, 200 पीवी का प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किया और मैं आपका अपलाइन आपके घर पे आके प्रोडक्ट डिलीवरी दिया, डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिया, स्माइल भी दिया, आपके ऊपर किस प्रकार का असर पड़ेगा? हाउ विल यू फील? आप कैसे फील करेंगे?
यस सर
400 रुपया आपके पॉकेट में रख दिया मैं, 400 रुपया.
हाँ सर. एक्चुअली क्या है, कंपनी को जो बिलीव होता है, वो बिलीव उस लोगों को एक्चुअली ज्यादा बिलीव होता है. जो मुझे प्रोडक्ट डिलीवरी दिया, उसके साथ एक अच्छा रिश्ता भी मिलेगा और वो जो विश्वास है वो ताकत होगा सर. ये मुझे महसूस होता है. और प्रोडक्ट जल्दी मिलने से हमारा प्रोडक्ट का यूजर को भी फायदा मिलेगा, उसका रिजल्ट भी जल्दी से मिलेगा और बाद में हमारा बिजनेस के लिए भी बहुत फायदा होगा सर.
Yes. So you will feel very happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
Thank you, Simanta ji. Thank you. So this is the compensation of operating VOTM. Okay, ये product free जो आपको दिया जा रहा है, this is not for you. This is for you to build relationship. Building your relationship with your team members, your new distributors. This is the way, right? And now this will ensure your downlines to prefer VOTM from you. So next time Simanta ji ka order jab bhi place hota hai, he will select Prem Kumar in the VOTM 1004 ID number. अरे बाप रे, आप लोग मुझे मेरा नाम मत लगाना, वरना आप सबका प्रोडक्ट बैंगलोर आ जाएगा और मुझे ऑल ओवर इंडिया ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू. ओके, सो दैट इज हाउ इट हैपेंड. लास्ट वीक somebody placed the order in Mumbai. They said Prem Kumar and they selected Prem Kumar and the product has delivered in Bangalore from Mubarak's team, right? So please don't select VOTM. I am also a VOTM holder, right? Okay, so this will ensure your downlines to prefer VOTM from you. This is a bonding of your relationship with your associates, right? And now your expense of delivery shall be covered with remaining 1500. देखिए, आपका 2500 का प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है, ओके, और उसमें से आप जब 50 रुपीज पर प्रोडक्ट वापस देते हैं, टोटली आपका 1000 रुपीज खर्चा होगा एक तरफ से. दूसरी तरफ से 1500 रुपीज आपका ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंस भी कवर हो जाएगा. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल सिस्टम. आई थिंक वी मस्ट सल्यूट to somebody who has done this kind of a system. This is going to help the people in the rural pockets of India to reach the product. Okay, now what are the real benefits of VOTM? Now let's get into it. Cash and carry experience to your team, which is very, very, very important. They say cash and carry, love and marry. In my childhood, in my school days, we were talking like this. Cash and carry, love and marry. So this experience, customer delight, is experienced when you have a VOTM आपके पास जब होता है. And second thing, as a new distributor receives his product on time, he or she will start his or her business activities right away and will get sufficient time to secure the star reward. Many people, बहुत सारे distributors, I told you, damages. Your business is heavily damaged due to the courier. If you depend on the courier, if you depend on the logistics people, you may not be able to become a diamond the way you want to become. If you want to build your business, multi-level marketing with multi-level leadership, ये बहुत important है. For example, option A. Okay, let me take you through a demonstration with this whiteboard here. I will share this with you. Praveenji, please acknowledge if you can see this.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's coming.
Okay, let me take you through the third page of this. So one particular, I'm going to give you two case studies here. One case is, let's talk about, this is a customer called Mr. Okay, or let's say, Naveen, okay, which is a very popular name here. And let me take another name here, another customer. Tell me a good name, Praveenji. A female name.
Ramesh.
Let me take a very Indra Nui, our
Nui.
Indra. Okay, let me take two examples. Now, Indra Nui from United States. our PepsiCo CEO, a women, powerful women. Okay, so two examples I'm taking here. दो example मैं यहाँ पर ले रहा हूँ. Okay, so one is the customer who is depending upon the logistic. Okay, and another customer is depending upon the VOTM. Okay, so what happens here? Let me take this a little bit below. Sorry for that, guys. Okay, and let me take this one also here. Okay, दो example. एक जहां पर he is selecting the surface delivery, and second one is depending upon the VOTM. Okay, so this is the situation. What happens here? Let me see. So this is the line. Okay, I think I have been little below with this particular thing. Okay, please don't mind, guys. I'm just trying new ways of explaining to you. Bear with me. Okay, I'm not a great artist, though. I'm a good businessman, but okay, right. So this is the classic example of two people. Okay, यहां पर देखते हैं आपका बिजनेस कैसे डैमेज हो रहा है. अभी तक अगर आपने नहीं सुना तो प्लीज अभी सुन लीजिए, कान खोल के दिल, ध्यान और दिमाग यहां पर रखिए. मैं आपको दो क्लासिक एग्जांपल देना चाहता हूं. अपना 6.5 years experience, what I have gone through, especially the product part, I'm going to share it here. Okay, so the first person here depends upon the local courier or surface. Okay, and the second one depends upon the leader based VOTM. Okay, so leader based, or I would say leadership based, whatever, jo bhi, leader based VOTM. So I will take you through the exact experience, what happens here. Okay, so this is the first week. Okay, the second week. Praveen, can you see the weeks here?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
And the third week. Okay, again coming to the third week, and now the fourth week. Okay, so let's see how, like Pablo and Bruno, we have two amazing people here, those who started Indus Viva based on two different experience. Okay, so this is what happens. So point number one, let's take the example of Indra. Indra place the order, and let me also take you here week number. This is week number 341. Okay, and the same way here. Okay, one second, guys, please bear with me. I'm just trying this. Yes, this is the way here. Okay, and now 341, she placed the order, and what happened? 341, waiting. Waiting. Okay, waiting, sorry, waiting. Okay, टक 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 waiting, and यहां पर क्या हो गया? Met, applying, received product. Okay. Okay, now second week
With cashback.
Yeah, 342. Yeah, met, applying, and here I think we need to mention that. Thanks for Vinji for bringing that point. Yeah, that's a presence of mind. Thank you, I appreciate it. Okay, met, applying, and received the product, and my lines are not that great, so please bear with me. I said I'm not a good artist, please forgive me for that. Okay, right. Yeah, I think this is the first thing. And now talking about 342. Waiting angrily. Completed. Star reward, probably 1 and 2. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
थर्ड वीक में से डंडा लेकर आएगा.
343. Upset and given up. And here, what happens? Okay, and growing fast. Okay, and this is one example of what happens if you depend upon the external courier systems of what we have in this particular place. Okay, and abhi dekhiye what happens. This damage is going to further aggravate. Like week number, if you see the next week, probably week 344. Okay, already quit and negative. Okay, and retailed 50% and reordered. Okay, can you see this? So yes, friends, this is what happens if you have experienced something like this in your organization. अगर आपके organization में इस प्रकार का experience हुआ है, तो please go ahead and give me a comment. Praveen ji, can you read some of the comments? What's coming?
Yeah, definitely.
What's the comment coming in?
Yes, just started, sir.
Okay.
Yes, please. Sir. Experienced बहुत बार हुआ है. Yes, sir. बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है.
Okay.
True, sir. Yes, sir. It happened. Some people are already given up.
Yes. This is not a logistic problem. This is clearly leadership problem. It is a leadership problem, right?
असम में तो बुरा हाल है.
I'm talking especially for my lovely Assam people. असम के लोगों को यही बताना चाहूंगा, don't wait for the courier. बार बार यही बता रहा हूं, पिछले 6 साल से, मतलब 4 साल से जब से वहां पर बिजनेस शुरू हुआ, I'm telling the same thing. Do not depend upon the courier. Don't hand over your business to the courier people, right? And here, देखिए, the next level, what will happen? Week 345, spreading negativity. Okay, and here she is planning star 500. Repurchase, okay, right? So this is actually the real killer in your business, depending upon the courier system. So good.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Absolutely.
So, and one more thing is here, a few other things are there. What do you call, few advantages? I want to take it here. I can place it here. That is, let me take the smaller fonts if possible here. What are the few advantages here? Relationship.
Yes.
Well built. Or I would say the trust. I think Mr. Noel loves this word, trust. He says trust always, right? So the trust is well built here. And then there is a lot of respect to the brand. Okay, there is a lot of respect to the brand, and along with that, I think also the other part is 50 rupee per product, paid. It also leads to customer delight. Okay, so these are few of the other. Pardon, Praveenji?
Positivity about network marketing or the company.
Yes, exactly. Okay, spreads hope. Positivity, right? So all these things are kind of the actually, as I was telling you, जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा था, these are the actual real benefits of your business. So are you on the left side or you are on the right side? Ask yourself. If you are depending, अगर आप अपने courier के ऊपर depend होते हैं, you are waiting for the courier guy to deliver the product to you, then probably you are wasting your powerful resources here being in Industry Vast. So this is time for all of you, especially the people building business in India. मैं आपको यही बताना चाहूंगा, it's time for you to move on and make sure that you are building your business based on leader-based VOTM. Clear about this? Praveenji, any other comments coming in the chat box?
Yes, sir. A lot of like right side. Yeah, you asked about the left side or right side. No, most of them are answering they want to be in right side.
Right side. Good. That
Yes.
is right side, and it is really the right thinking process. I would
Perfect
say
side.
right thinking people. Okay, good. Now let me proceed with the PPT here. Good. I hope today's session has kind of opened up a new avenue of thinking in our leadership, in our organization. Of course, iske baare mein top leaders already, they know about it. I'm talking about the middle level leaders and the bottom level leaders who are, when I say middle and bottom level, I'm talking in terms of rank. The distributor star 250s, these are all the bottom ranks, and the middle layer leadership like Ruby, Pearl, Emeralds, they, especially Ruby, Pearl, Emeralds, make sure this is applied in your organization, आपके organization में. And ये करने से क्या होता है, the distributor is very happy receiving the product on time, will start the business in the right way, and will get sufficient time, because star reward 1 and 2 जो है वो achieve करने के लिए 1+1 week ही time रहता है, right? So creating an avenue for an interaction other than virtual between upline and associate, which will increase the bonding between them, is actually the core benefit of the entire process of VOTM. ये बहुत ही आपके organization में जरूरी है, right? And what are the real benefits of VOTM? Few other benefits. Distributor gets product in good condition. Usually in the courier, 4 bottles of iPulse is ordered, 1 bottle is broken, and all the 3 bottles are soaken. 1 bottle is broken, the other 3 bottles are soaked in the iPulse. So they are able to smell the iPulse before opening the iPulse, because it is broken and it is spread everywhere, right? So this is a very messy way of introducing your brand to the distributor. Product can be delivered with respect. Courier person may give the product, sir, please take your product. And you can give the product with a lot of respect. Sir, ये हमारा product नहीं है, right? You can give it with a lot of respect. You can say, sir, this is not our product. This is our, trust. This is our trust to you. This is your platform to achieve your dreams. Welcome to Indus Viva. इस प्रकार से you can give the product with a lot of delight to the customer, unlike a courier boy. Once your team reaches star 500, they will also enroll VOTM holder. So Simanta Bora, he has received the product. मेरे से product उनको VOTM के माध्यम से मिला, तो वो बहुत ही इंस्पायर्ड होंगे, और जब सीमांता जी स्टार 500 बनेंगे, उनको भी मैं actually VOTM upgrade करवा सकता हूं. And this is called duplication. Last week's subject, I'm pulling it back. Last week's subject, I'm pulling it back. VOTM का मतलब ये नहीं, you will be a lifetime product delivery person of your organization. No, मैं VOTM करूंगा. कब तक मैं VOTM ऑपरेट करूंगा? मेरे राइट में, लेफ्ट में जब एक एक इंसान स्टार 500 बनते हैं और वो खुद VOTM बनते हैं, तब तक मैं VOTM ऑपरेट करूंगा. उसके बाद इन लोगों को VOTM ऑपरेट करवाऊंगा, तब तक उनके लेफ्ट राइट में VOTM नहीं आते, तब तक मैं उनको VOTM ऑपरेट कराऊंगा. So this is how you are going to build multi-level leadership. So that is the way it is. Many people are building leaders and not giving them a responsibility. Leadership is not a position, it is a responsibility. Somebody is a star 500, don't know about VOTM, there is a mistake, there is an error. Somebody is a star 500, he is not using VOTM, there is a problem, right? So make sure this is happening, and they will repeat the noble acts. जैसे मैंने सीमांता जी के घर पे गया, 200 PV प्रोडक्ट दिया, स्माइल के साथ मेरा ट्रस्ट जो है वो मैंने ट्रांसफर किया, और उसके बाद मैंने सीमांता जी को इंस्पायर किया, और वो सारी चीजें सीमांता जी will do it for your next generation. So this is again coming back to the old topic, last week's topic. Monkeys see. What was the last week topic, Praveen ji?
Monkeys
Duplication.
Duplication.
Yes, sir.
Monkey see, monkey do. Monkey see, monkey do. So that is what is the actual topic, and that will be possible here because people will do what you do, not what you say. आप जो करते हैं आपके लोग भी वही करते हैं, right? And what are the advantages of having not disadvantages of not having a VOTM? Distributor customer has to wait, and waiting is damage. Please write down, waiting is a damage. Do not make your customers to wait. Okay, waiting will damage your business. It's a pain. Delivery in damaged condition adds more salt to the wound. जो चोट लगा है उस पे और नमक डालने से बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना? नहीं, बहुत दर्द होता है, बहुत मतलब डिस्कम्फर्ट फील होता है. तो जो चोट पहुंचता है, ऑलरेडी you know the customer is angry, मैं ऑलरेडी 20 दिन हो चुका है, मैं प्रोडक्ट के लिए वेट कर रहा हूं, फाइनली कोरियर वाला आ गया और प्रोडक्ट पहुंच गया टूटे हुए. दिस इज कॉल्ड एडिंग सॉल्ट टू द वुंड. डैमेज किसका हो रहा है? आपका हो रहा है, हमारा हो रहा है. नेवर अलो दिस टू हैपन, राइट? एंड फाइनली पोटेंशियल लॉस ऑफ स्टार रिवॉर्ड्स. हमारा जो बिजनेस है उसके अंदर स्टार रिवॉर्ड इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ ड्राइविंग इंजन, ड्राइविंग फोर्स. वो यहां पर लॉस हो रहा है. इसका मतलब एक पेड़ जो बनना चाहिए, एक पौधा, एक प्लांट जो एक ट्री में कन्वर्ट होना चाहिए, उसको जड़ से यानी रूट्स जो भी है वो पूरा खत्म हो रहा है. द रूट्स ऑफ योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन in terms of expansion of your organization is star reward 1 and star reward 2. अगर आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में star reward 1 and 2 is not practiced, you are not growing fast enough, growing sufficient in good speed enough, right? So a lot of potential consumption. Let me take you again to this. Pravinji, what do you see? What do you see?
Nothing is shared, sir. Nothing is shared.
Nothing is shared. Okay.
Now it's come. Yeah, the whiteboard.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Same.
So, friends, यहाँ पर Naveen was supposed to start the product consumption from 341. अरे, if he is starting in 341, 343 वीक में प्रोडक्ट खत्म हो जाता है. सेकेंड बॉटल ओपन करना पड़ता है आफ्टर 15 days. So there is a loss of 25 PV within 2 weeks. Yahan par you can see Indra has started drinking the product from day 1, and by the week number 343 unka second bottle open hota hai, right? And here the person is waiting. See the situation. The consumption also is a loss when you are not having a VOTM. Consumption भी हमारा यहाँ पर बहुत बड़ा loss साबित हो सकता है. So that is again, once again emphasizing the importance of having VOTM. And if a customer consume IPL 60 ml per day and got delayed by 5 days to get the product, it makes a loss of 300 ml. That is 1/3 of the bottle. यानी हर एक दिन का आपका डिले आपकी बिजनेस के अंदर 60 ml का लॉस पर डे होता है. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? आपका जो टैंक जो है वो लीक हो रहा है, आपकी बिजनेस डैमेज हो रहा है, राइट? एंड इफ देयर आर सच 10 केसेस इन योर टीम, 75 PV लॉस विल बिकम 75 PV इन अ वीक. आपकी बिजनेस से 75 PV लॉस हो रहा है वीकली अगर 10 लोगों को प्रोडक्ट नहीं मिला तो. द बिगर योर टीम, द ग्रेटर योर लॉस. If you don't have the VOTM, the entire culture of your team will be 2G data speed, whereas 4G is the current order of the world, which is needed for the momentum. आप शायद 2G स्पीड में से, मतलब 4G 5G की बात अभी मुकेश अंबानी जी कर रहे थे, अभी आप शायद 2G में चले जाएंगे. This will be your speed and of your organization. Are you using VOTM effectively? 80% of VOTM holders are not using the VOTM wisely. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, VOTM का ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दिया, पूरा खुद पी लिया प्रोडक्ट, खुद आई कॉफी, आई स्लिम सब कुछ खुद खा लिया, बल्ले 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 बल्ले. मतलब प्रोडक्ट आपके लिए नहीं है. आपके लिए जो प्रोडक्ट चाहिए वो सेपरेट ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा. VOTM का ऑर्डर सेपरेट आपको करना पड़ेगा. डू नॉट कंज्यूम योर प्रोडक्ट. Your associate does not know that you are a VOTM holder. Please, once you are a VOTM holder, put a message in the WhatsApp group. My dear distributors, this is Prem Kumar, your star 500, and I want to tell you one good news. Everybody staying in Bangalore South, you can order the product from me. I am the VOTM holder for your organization, and my ID number is 1004. आज के बाद जरूर VOTM आप इसी नंबर पे सेलेक्ट करिए, तुरंत आपको within 24 hours आपका प्रोडक्ट आपको डिलीवर किया जाएगा. This is my commitment to my organization. This should be conveyed. And finally, you haven't educated the team to place order. ये भी गलत होता है. कभी-कभी हम VOTM बना देते हैं और घर पे बैठ जाते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपने एक लड़की से प्यार किया, एक लड़का एक लड़की को प्यार किया, और आप एक कमरे में बैठे हैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ, परिवार के साथ, सब लोग, कोई पार्टी चल रहा है, और आप उस लड़की को आंख मारना चाहते हैं या कुछ इशारा देना चाहते हैं, लेकिन जब बिजली चला गया तब अगर आपने इशारा दिया तो क्या फायदा? जब बिजली चला जाता है, अगर आंख मारेंगे या कुछ भी इशारा करेंगे, वो अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को या उस लड़की को पता नहीं चलता है, क्योंकि अंधेरे में आंख मारना गलत है. अगर आंख मारना है, इशारा देना है, तो आपको मतलब जब अंधेरा नहीं होता है, रोशनी होता है, तब आपको देना पड़ता है. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ये एजुकेट किया जाए कि दैट यू आर अ VOTM. यू माइट हैव फेल्ड गिविंग देम एन एक्सीलेंट डिलीवरी. कभी-कभी डिलीवरी नहीं दिया गया तो भी VOTM का मतलब सही प्रयोग या इस्तेमाल आप नहीं कर रहे हैं. ये सारी चीजें आपको नहीं करनी चाहिए. एंड फाइनली, do's and don'ts. You should ensure in advance a transaction of 500 PV every week through VOTM and later upgrade to 1000 PV. शुरुआत में 500 PV से ऑर्डर प्लेस कर लीजिए एंड दोबारा आप 500 PV से अपग्रेड और करके 1000 PV में जा सकते हैं. एंड ensure that the stocks are available all the time for all the products. आपके पास 500 PV लगातार आपके पास रहना चाहिए. The company will make sure you're getting the products. Okay. Proactive coordination with the DCS team. कंपनी के DCS टीम के साथ रेगुलरली वीमेल में या कॉल में आप कोरियर वालों से टच में रहते हुए आपके पास सफिशिएंट स्टॉक होना चाहिए. इसकी टेक केयर आप जरूर करें. एंड यू शुड नॉट रिटेल योर VOTM प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक PCM प्रोडक्ट आपका पर्सनली जो आपने लिया है वो आप रिटेल कर सकते हैं. TRB में प्रोडक्ट रिटेल कर सकते हैं. VOTM का प्रोडक्ट रिटेलिंग के लिए नहीं है. यू शुड नॉट यूज द VOTM स्टॉक फॉर योर पर्सनल कंजम्पशन. एंड व्हाई डू VOTM प्ले a vital role in current scenario? आज की तारीख में पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में वाइटल रोल VOTM का होता है. उसका कारण क्या होता है? COVID-19 has affected the efficient functioning of courier service across the nation. अभी कोरियर वाले बहुत कम हो गए हैं, तो इसके वजह से कोरियर कंपनी का मैक्सिमम सपोर्ट हमें नहीं मिल रहा है. एंड डोर टू डोर डिलीवरी आल्सो इज हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम ड्यू टू मेनी रीजंस लाइक पैंडेमिक की वजह से. एंड कोरियर कंपनीज प्रेफर बल्क डिलीवरी, नॉट सिंगल डिलीवरी. और कोरियर कंपनी वाले हमेशा कहते हैं कि सर 500 PV हम जयनगर में एक आदमी को डिलीवर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन 500 PV प्रोडक्ट जो है वो 10 लोगों को, 25 PV मींस 20 लोगों को हम डिलीवरी नहीं देना चाहते हैं, लेकिन बल्क डिलीवरी देने के लिए कोरियर कंपनी वाले रेडी हैं. राइट? सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड VOTM इज अ कार्गो, नॉट अ कोरियर. Hence, the above points are applicable to it. So make sure that you are using the courier. In this current scenario, the quickest and the fittest, अगर इन दोनों की अगर बात करें, survival of the quickest is the name of the game, not just fittest. You have to be quickest, right? And those who adopt Zoom and VOTM quickly will emerge as winners. In the month of June, मेरा lifetime highest earning मैंने पाया. This is not just about me. In my team, many people earned their best earnings. Praveen ji, when was your last highest earning in your career in Indus Viva? Which week?
It was last week, sir.
During
Corona.
During Corona, Brahmananda yes, ji, when was your highest career earning?
Sir, 1,45,000. Week number 337.
During the Corona, COVID-19
yes,
pandemic, right?
Yes,
so many people. Shravan, हमारे साथ Shravan है. Shravan ji, when
yes,
did you touch ceiling?
Yes, sir. Week number 337, sir.
337. 1 month ago, Sharavan touched ceiling. Sharavan, are you using VOTM and Zoom, or you are doing Hall VOP?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm effectively using VOTM and Zoom.
Very good. What was your highest income in that week?
2.5 lakh, sir.
2.5 lakh, all bonus including?
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It should be
actually
more.
Second week onwards. Actually, I completed next week, Sapphire, sir.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful, good, wonderful, good, right? So this is the way. अगर आप जिम में जाके डंबल्स लेते हैं, राइट हैंड का भी मतलब वर्कआउट करना होता है, लेफ्ट हैंड का भी. सो दैट इज हाउ दोनों साइड आपका मसल्स बिल्ड होता है. सो जूम इज गुड. सिर्फ जूम पर डेकोरेशन करके, मेकअप करके जूम पर बैठे रहेंगे, इसमें से कुछ नहीं होगा. जूम पे बैठना पड़ेगा नीटली, प्रोफेशनली, एंड VOTM भी हमें अपनाना पड़ेगा. These two are the strengths of your business. And finally, don't be afraid, rather take precautions. Wear mask. जब आप प्रोडक्ट डिलीवरी देना जाते हैं, मास्क पहनना है, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग होना चाहिए, सैनिटाइजर्स यूज करना चाहिए. एंड दोज हु गो आउट शैल गेन नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी. घर पे बैठने से, अभी डॉक्टर बालू इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हर्ड इम्यूनिटी. ये हर्ड इम्यूनिटी अपने अंदर बढ़ाना है, तो you have to go outside, but with a lot of precautions. Okay. And corona is dangerous not because of its mortality, but because of its spread. So अगर हम लोगों ने कोरोना स्प्रेड जो होता है उसका हम लोगों ने तौर तरीका अपना लिया, वो कोरोना से बचने का तौर तरीका अपना लिया, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप लड़ भी सकते हैं कोरोना के साथ, आगे बढ़ भी सकते हैं, जैसे हमारे प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं. एंड इफ यू हैव सफिशिएंट इम्यूनिटी, कोरोना may not affect you. It's just like a cold, right? So don't worry. We are using iPulse, we are using all our industry of products, so our immunity is good enough to fight. And all our 5 products, including iVed, are immunity boosters and give oxygen to your business, on time delivery, and 500 PV of stock in your organization, and cross check आपके left और right में there should be enough VOTM holders. And today onwards, आज के बाद you should have a discrimination. यानी मतलब बोलते हैं ना भेदभाव, मतलब वो करना चाहिए. All the VOTM star 500s आज के मीटिंग में आपको अलो किया जाएगा. Those who are not VOTM, please be in the waiting room. ठीक है. आज के बाद आपके टीम के अंदर भेदभाव आप करेंगे. VOTM जो करेंगे उनकी तारीफ करेंगे, जिनका VOTM नहीं है उनको आप इनकार करिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. हमें वैसे लोग नहीं चाहिए जो हैंडीकैप्ड लीडर्स बन जाते हैं. हैंडीकैप का मतलब जिनके पास कैपेसिटी है लेकिन मेंटली दे आर नॉट हैविंग द कैपेबिलिटी टू थिंक बिग. वैसे लोगों को हम बिल्ड नहीं कर सकते. वो आपके लायबिलिटी बनेंगे, एसेट बिल्कुल नहीं बनेंगे. एंड फाइनली ensure 25 PV, 25 rupees, 25 each serving VOTM holders. That is 25, मतलब आपके लेफ्ट में 25 मेंबर्स, राइट में 25 मेंबर्स 1000 PV VOTM मेंटेन करते हैं, तो आपका वीकली इनकम होगा 2.5 lakh, which can be very much achieved. So this is the way of building an organization with VOTM and combined with the leadership to achieve the 2.5 lakh. And right, so we will be talking about PCM maybe probably in the next program because of the time constraint. Thank you very much each one of you, all those who are with us till now, and hope आज का जो points है VOTM उसको जरूर याद रखिए. And presidential club membership, contact your upline who is a Ruby. आपके रूबी अप्लायंस को कांटेक्ट करें और उनसे जरूर जानकारी लें. व्हाट इज प्रेसिडेंशियल क्लब? मे बी वील टॉक अबाउट इट इन सम अदर सेशन लेटर बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट. प्रॉब्ली वील लुक एट इट इन द नेक्स्ट वेबाथॉन. एंड नाउ stopping the sharing here and over to our host of the day, Praveen ji, to take forward the session and wind up on time. 8:30 we will wind up. We have 3 more minutes. You can take some good feedbacks from the chat box, and with the national anthem we will wind up. Over to Praveen ji.
Sure, sir. Sure. Definitely, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your amazing session. And you have